Fans of TLC's hit reality series 1000 LB Sisters are in complete shock after Amy Slayton's jaw-dropping wedding dress choice has finally been revealed, and it is nothing like what anyone expected. Forget the traditional white gown and sparkling veil, Amy Slayton has stunned the internet with a devilish, dark, and completely black wedding dress that perfectly reflects her bold and rebellious personality. Photos of Amy's jaw-dropping wedding look have started circulating online, leaving fans speechless and eager to learn the story behind this shocking style choice. Amy Slayton, who has been a fan favorite on 1000 LB Sisters since the very first season, has never been one to shy away from unique decisions, but this gothic-inspired black wedding dress has officially taken her reputation for surprises to the next level. Social media has exploded with comments and reactions, with some fans calling the look iconic and others questioning what inspired Amy to ditch traditional wedding fashion altogether. Sources close to the production of 1000 LB Sisters revealed that Amy's wedding day was an emotional rollercoaster. Had perfectly captured her unconventional charm. The black wedding dress, which reportedly took weeks to custom design, features layers of flowing tulle, dramatic ruffles, and sparkling dark embellishments that give it a gothic fairy tale vibe. Paired with a dark lipstick and a bold bouquet of red and black roses, Amy's entire bridal aesthetic screamed confidence and independence. This shocking twist in her wedding journey fits perfectly with the unpredictable nature of the Slayton family's life, which has kept fans glued to their screens for years. One insider even described the gown as a cross between a Hollywood Gothic queen and a Halloween fantasy, making it clear that Amy wanted her special day to be remembered forever. The photos that surfaced online show Amy stepping out in the all-black gown with a mischievous smile, and the reaction from her family was reportedly priceless. Tammy Slayton, her famously outspoken sister, was said to be completely floored when she first saw the dress. Fans of the series know that the sisters have had their ups and downs, but Tammy couldn't hide her excitement at seeing Amy's bold choice. Onlookers said Tammy called the dress badass and insisted it fit Amy's personality perfectly. Meanwhile, Amanda Halterman and Mishti Wentworth, Amy's other sisters, had mixed reactions. While one praised the originality, the other reportedly wondered if the black dress was too much. Regardless of opinions, Amy's bridal look has officially gone viral, sparking debates across fan groups and wedding forums about the growing trend of non-traditional, black wedding gowns. Amy Slayton has been through an incredible personal journey in recent years, which makes this fearless wedding dress reveal even more significant. Fans have watched her navigate marriage, motherhood, health challenges, and a roller coaster of family drama, and now she's celebrating love in a way that is 100% her own. The black gown has become a symbol of self-expression and empowerment, proving that Amy is living life on her own terms and is unafraid to break traditions. Social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Reddit are buzzing with close-up shots of the dress's intricate details, and viewer can't stop speculating about the theme of the wedding itself. Some fans believe Amy might have gone for a gothic or spooky fairy tale theme, complete with dark roses, candlelit decor, and maybe even a mysterious soundtrack for her dramatic entrance. What makes this reveal even more fascinating is how it reflects Amy's growth since first appearing on 1000 LB Sisters. When the show began, she was often portrayed as the sweet, shy sister who followed trends rather than set them. Over the years, as she embraced motherhood and gained confidence in her personal style, fans noticed a shift in her energy. This daring wedding choice is being celebrated as the ultimate display of her self-assurance and individuality. Amy's husband is said to have been completely supportive of her decision, reportedly telling her that she looked like a queen of the night as she walked down the aisle. The romantic and edgy moment is already becoming a highlight of her storyline on the upcoming season, and producers are teasing fans will get an even closer look at the full ceremony soon. Reactions online continue to pour in, ranging from excitement to disbelief. Amy Slayton in a black wedding dress. "I am obsessed," wrote one fan on Twitter. Another commented, "This is the most Amy thing ever, and I love her for it. She looks stunning." Critics, however, weren't as kind, with some arguing that a black dress takes away from the traditional symbolism of a wedding. But Amy's supporters quickly clapped back, reminding everyone that weddings are personal celebrations and that the bride's happiness is what truly matters. TikTok edits and fan videos of the viral photos are trending under hashtags like hashtag #AmySlaytonWedding and hashtag #BlackWeddingDressGoals, with thousands of fans saying Amy has inspired them to think outside the box for their own big day. Beyond the fashion shock factor, this moment feels like a turning point in Amy's story arc on 1000 LB Sisters. It shows her embracing joy, creativity, and fearlessness after years of public struggles and intense family-wide drama. Her bold dress choice is already drawing comparisons to other celebrity brides who ditched the white gown for darker shades, and many believe Amy has officially set a new bar for memorable reality TV weddings. TLC executives are undoubtedly thrilled by the viral buzz, as Amy's wedding episode is shaping up to be a ratings hit. As fans wait for the full episode to air, they can't stop speculating about what other surprises might be in store, from the vows to the reception theme to whether Tammy might even catch the bouquet. With her devilish black wedding dress now making headlines everywhere, Amy Slayton has proven once again that she is a reality TV icon who knows how to keep fans talking. This unexpected fashion statement not only reflects her personal growth but also solidifies her reputation as one of the most entertaining and unpredictable stars in the 1000 LB Sisters franchise. Whether you love the dress or hate it, one thing is clear: Amy's wedding day will be remembered for years to come, and the photos of her strutting confidently in that daring black gown are proof that she is living life boldly, unapologetically, and entirely in her own unforgettable style. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.